because the other software that we want to create, we just type the coding, we learn the code, we type the code and test on the same computer. We are not dependent on someone that come. Okay, Trello.com. If you go to this one, it's free, and you will have to sign up. Okay, to sign up, and after that log in. I have already signed up for this. I have a account, so I will log in. Okay, like this. Okay, so sign in. This Trello is online project management system. Okay, it is very nice tool you can use for other group assignment also. I am sure you will have many group assignment, so you can use this one to share with your group members in real time. Okay, so you will get this interface. I have already created few boards, like this. You see, many several boards I have created. All of you can see this screen, right? Okay, okay, good. Okay, good. So, uh, in my case, I already have several boards. In your case, it will be totally new. So, what you will have to do, you will create a new board. So, just click this one, create a new board, and give a name. Let's suppose like expert system, expert system group project. You can give any name. Okay, and this is just expert system group project. So once the board is created, then it has several components. Okay, several component in this way, like to-do list. So first you will have to create to-do list. In this to-do list, you can add uh, what you will have to do. Okay, for example, number one, selecting a topic. Okay, one this. Second, then finding code. Or number three, are writing code. Okay, so in this way you can create to-do list. This to-do list, all of your group member. Oh, one point I missed, the important one. Once you create this project, maybe let's suppose the group leader create this project, then how to invite your other group members. You see here is the invite button. When you click this one, you just simply type your group member email address and then click send invitation. So then all of the group member will have to sign in, and once they sign in using the invitation, then they will directly redirect it to the same page. So every one of you will see the same thing, and not only see, it is like a collaborative work, you can also type, your other member can also type, and they can see each other. So at the same point, on the same project, everybody can type, everybody can see in real time. Okay, so until this point, okay, any problem? Hello? Okay, good, good. Majority says no, no problem. Okay, so to-do list, and after that, the to-do list will be the task that you will have to do. Okay, now who will do what task? Like task distribution. Okay, then you create uh, this is like a sticky note. Okay, another sticky note, and that will be like a task distribution. Okay, task distribution, and in this distribution, you can type like this. For example, me, I will find the code. Okay, and let's suppose another one, anyone, I should call that A. Okay, A is the person name. A is will find the data. Just example. Okay, so in this way, everyone, you will have to distribute the task. Then second one, you can add anything, but the common thing that most professional project management systems have, that one is like completed one. Okay, completed. So if completed tasks, so if any task completed, then you can type here that let's suppose data task completed. Then everybody can see the progress. You see, here will be actually the progress that everybody can see at what stage is our project, and who is working and who is not working. Okay, from that. Okay, another point, every group member, remember, every one of you will invite me also. So I will be the member of every project, right? You note this point. Every group note this point, right? Every every group member will invite me also. So I will be also part of each group member. Okay. So you see, task distribution, to do task, to do list, and task distribution, then completed task. If you want some other thing to add, you see, it's unlimited. You can add and add and add as many sticky notes you want to add. One important point, that sometime if you need to share a link or to share a file, okay, some attachment, then you can do that one also very easily. You can click on any sticky note where you want to attach. For example, here if I want to attach that the data task completed, but how, I want to show how it is completed, then uh, how to show, or maybe if you want to provide the link that which data you want to use it. Okay, then click on the task. You see, here is the pencil icon also. If you simply click, you will get this page. So here in the description, you can add the detail, what data, where data. You can describe the task, how you completed, and then click save. If you want to add, you see label. Oh, another point, this one is very important. For example, due date. You can fix the due date for the data. Okay, that let's suppose it is 14 of this month. Okay, then click save. Okay, and then click this. So now you can see here. Oh, sorry, I should not put this one at the task completed. It should be here. Okay, it should be here like this. Due date. And that let's suppose like 16 of this month. Okay, and then just simply close this. So you can see here uh, that the task which is assigned to me, that is also clear, and the time given is also clear. Then here we will see that everybody can complete the task on specific time or not. Okay, so it is quite a nice platform. So for each task, fix a time also, time and date. Okay, and another point, if you want to provide attachment, then you see here, here is an attachment. Okay, so in the attachment you can paste a link, you can select a file from OneDrive, from Box, from Dropbox, Google Drive, or maybe the Trello also provide this stuff, or maybe you can select from your own computer. For example, you see, if you click on computer, you can upload any file that you want. Okay, so this is the mm, online collaborative project management tool, and I really like this one, and very nice. So, any confusion until this point about Trello or about any other stuff? Hello. Group member or group project? Group member or group project, what do you mean? Yasmin, what do you mean? Yasmin, you are saying group member or group project, but I don't get this. What do you mean by this?
No, just now you said every group member has to add you in. So, is it every group member or is it every project like the one you're showing right now?
Oh, actually, it is like this. That let's suppose you have 5 members in your group, right? Okay, let's assume you have 5 members in your group. Okay, so the leader will create this Trello project, and the leader will invite the rest 4 group member, including me. So that's all. And the same apply on other group member, other group project. Okay, the leader will create the page, the Trello, and invite the rest, including me. So just every group project, how to say, every group leader will invite me as well as the group members.